Itua rĩrĩa rĩrekereirio hakuhĩ thaa 7 ũtukũ wa gũkia mũthenya wa aramithi mbunge-inĩ ya Senate rĩtũmĩte gavana wa Meru KAWIRA MWANGAZA ahotwo nĩ maithori ma gĩkeno thutha wake kũhonokio rĩngĩ kumana na kũhagũrwo.
Honorable Senators, the result of the division indicate that the Senate has not upheld any of the impeachment charges. Pursuant to Article 181 of the Constitution, Section 33(8) of the County Governments Act, and Standing Order 87 of the Senate Standing Orders, the Senate has failed to remove from office by impeachment Honorable KAWIRA MWANGAZA, the Governor of Meru County. And the Governor accordingly continues to hold office.
Kwa ihinda rĩa thikũ igĩrĩ bunge ĩno ya Senate ĩrarĩ na cikaro cia gũthikĩrĩria thitango 7 iria gavana MWANGAZA arahandĩirwo nĩ ma-MCA bunge-inĩ ya Meru irĩ hamwe na wanangi wa mbeca cia mũingĩ na ũhũthĩri mũru wa wabici.
Hi, Bishop KAWIRA MWANGAZA.
Agĩtetera gavana MWANGAZA akanĩte thitango ciothe 7 akĩnyitĩrĩra atĩ ũteti wa ũcogeri wa atongoria amwe athure na arĩa marĩ na icoka cia ũteti nĩguo ũrahũthĩka kũmwagagia nĩ gũkorwo nĩ mũtumia.
That is exactly what has been happening to our members of parliament, including the senator or deputy senator of this house. They have started warming him up to be the governor and take charge because I'm just a woman before them.
Gĩcunjĩ kĩnene kĩa maseneta gĩkĩtie kura na kũrũgama na gavana MWANGAZA makiuga gũtirĩ ũira mũiganu ũrutĩtwo wa kuonania mahĩtia make na kuga cira ũyũ wothe ũroneka wambĩirwo ũteti-inĩ.
The MCAs of Meru have failed to demonstrate that they can be independent and they can make decisions that are not influenced from outside. And we must not join them.
We have seen the evidence that has been laid here demonstrate clearly that a decision was made that KAWIRA MWANGAZA had to go as a governor of Meru. And then steps and plans were put in place to be able to meet that particular goal. And that is something that I cannot abide as a senator sworn to protect the interests of counties.
The video that was played by the defense of the governor, Honorable Speaker, it printed an image of a patriarchal community, deep, painful images that I would never want. My own children, my own wife. Honorable Speaker, that is not the society that we would want for our daughters, Honorable Speaker. It is not a mistake for anybody to become a leader and she's a woman, Honorable Speaker.
Impeaching governors is not always the best solution. Mr. Speaker, sir, Kiambu, the second richest county in this republic, lost 5 years because this Senate was in a hurry to respond to political feelings outside the Senate, and they brought problems in Kiambu for 5 years.
No na kũrĩ ũguo arĩa manyitĩte mbaru itua rĩrĩ no marũgamĩtie itũmi ciao.
I want to encourage the citizens of Meru to call for a suspension of the county government, to send Governor KAWIRA MWANGAZA back to the people, and to send the MCAs back to the people. We have been told a lot of stories about who is popular and who is not popular. But finally, Mr. Speaker, let us not forget that in 2010, this nation discharged Nancy Baraza of a role as a Deputy Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of Kenya on very spurious allegations. But that has set a precedent that has been part of our jurisprudence. If we were to go with that threshold, then Governor KAWIRA MWANGAZA should go home.
We must lift the veil. For Meru to move forward, we must stand with the MCAs and give them the confidence to ensure oversight, Mr. Speaker. I can assure you, Mr. Speaker, if today Governor KAWIRA MWANGAZA, Mr. Speaker, is shown the door, Meru will heal and will go for the better going into the future. Mr. Speaker, I submit.
Ndũmĩrĩri-inĩ yake ya mũthia gavana ũyũ ete mweke kũhoya ũrekeri nĩ ũndũ wa mahĩtia mangĩkorwo monekete akĩranĩra gũthiĩ na mbere kũrĩmĩra ũiguano.
I was elected as an independent governor. I know I need MCAs. I've tried my best and I shall still continue trying my best to see that I work with everyone.
Nĩ rita rĩa kerĩ rĩa gavana KAWIRA MWANGAZA kũhonokio kũhagũrwo nĩ bunge ĩno ya Senate rĩa mbere yarĩ mũthia-inĩ wa mwaka mũthiru wa 2022 mĩeri 3 tu thutha wake kuoya wabici. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.